Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me INFINIX Hot 20i, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. The first aspect that can slow down your device is memory. Memory is a limited resource, and when you load memory over 70%, your device will buggy. So you need to open settings, then scroll down, choose app manager, choose app list, and now here you will see all your applications with the size of this application. So find unnecessary unusing application and remove it. Just find it and remove. Second step you can do to free up memory, you can upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage. To do it, download Google Photos or any other cloud storage drive and just upload it to cloud and remove from your device. Google Cloud gives you 15 GB for free. You can use any other cloud storages, for example Mega Drive. Mega Drives gives you 50 GB for free, but application of Mega is not too handy. Okay, the second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. All the processors the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All applications are running at the moment are running also in RAM, so here again the winner, the one who bought the device with more temporary storage. To clean RAM, just click on the square button and click on the trash button. As you can see, I have freed up 74 megabytes of my RAM. And of course, harmful files. If you want to remove harmful files, you need to use your where I have my Finder application. Okay. You need to open your files, file manager, and here you will see release more space. Click on it, and here you will see cache junk, add junk, and more. Click settings, then find here phone master, click permit usage access, go back, wait a while, and as you can see, phone master free up 100 megabytes of my memory. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.